In the deep learning, in the gradient descent optimizer, we see gradient descent and the SGD. Then, to avoid the issues we are facing and disadvantage, we will use the mini batch optimizer. So in this one, we will use Epoc, batch size and iteration. So we will go and see what is Epoc, mini batch size and iteration. If we have 10,000 records, if we will see Epoc, an epoch represents one iteration over an entire data set. So the batch means we cannot pass the entire. So if we do one iteration with all 10,000 records, this is the gradient descent. So it need huge resource and also is very good hardware. So it's difficult to use in all the companies. To avoid that SGD, in that one we will iterate one by one. It become very noisy, also time taken. So we use mini batch optimizer. In the batch, if we have 10,000 records, we will split into 4 batches. For example, 4 batches. Each batches 10,000 record means, that means 10,000 record divided by 4. It will take the it will take the count of the iteration. Then it will take something 10,000 counts. Then iterate batch wise. So we cannot pass entire data set into the neural network at once. So we divided the data set into number of batches. So iteration means if we have 10,000 images of the data and a batch size of 20. So if we sending 1,000 images, maybe if we feel difficult, we will reduce into batch of 20. Then Epoc should run 1,000 divided by 20 with 20. That means 20 batch, it will take 50 iteration. So this is the one. For example, if the group of students will go for the tour, if we have 100 if we have 1,000 students, we will split into 20 batches. So in the 20 batches, we will split into 50-50 students. So they will each batches 50 students, they will see the tour activities and come back. So every epoch the batch will be run and the iteration will be happen. So we will get the at the end of the, if we take 100 epoch, at the end we will get the good resource, good information will gather by the students. See, if we see like this, if we see Epoc in deep learning, see, this is the example. It can take total 10,000 requirements, batch size will be 100. So every in this is a 1 epoch, 100 batch size, this is a 100 batch size. Every batch will be 10 iteration. This is the example we see here.